In this video, I'm going to show you how to update graphic drivers in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now go to your taskbar, then right click on the Windows icon, then go to Device Manager. Then Device Manager will pop up. So once you are here, you are going to see Display Adapters. Click on that drop-down menu. There you are going to see your graphic drivers. So to begin with Intel, you are just going to right click on the driver, then update driver. Then search automatically for drivers. Then as you can see, the best driver for your device are already installed. Now close this one. Then go for the other driver that you have on your PC. Right click on it. Then update driver. Then search. Then as you can see, the best driver for your device are already installed. Once you've done that, you will go to action. Then scan for hardware changes. Then having done so, your graphic drivers will be up to date. That's how to update graphic drivers on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.